As the weather is wet and the ground gets waterlogged, water begins to pool in inconvenient places. Not only does accumulated water around home and shop entrances cause an inconvenience to pedestrians, it can also cause long-term damage to foundations of buildings or cause damp problems. It can also have an adverse effect on local ecosystems if runoff is badly managed. Today, we'll be diving into the world of lightweight threshold drainage channels and domestic and commercial solutions to your unwanted duct pond. Threshold drains, or linear drainage channels, are designed to stop water from pooling around walls, entrances and exits. Drainage channels tend to be relatively narrow and should sit around 4mm below the surrounding ground level. The ones we have at Start Safety, for example, only measure 65mm in width. But they have the capacity to carry a peak flow of up to a massive 360 litres per minute. As you can imagine, the most important factor really is where you decide to install it. Channel drainage is categorised into weight classes which conform to British Standard 1433. The classes range from light pedestrian use, like in your back garden, to roads and even airstrips. If your project involves a pedestrian-only zone, then a lighter duty A15 class drainage channel will usually be sufficient, as it's rated for 1.5 tonnes. Do consider carefully when deciding which class of drainage channel solution is necessary for your space. If you get it wrong, it might cause a hefty repair bill. At Start Safety, we have a diverse range of threshold channels designed for light-duty A15 compliant areas. The Alusthetic threshold drainage system, for example, have channels made from a single piece of durable PVC with metal gratings and a range of different finishes. The aluminium version is available in black or silver. They're stylish, durable, and they are more cost effective. This is a great material to use as they will look new for years to come with very little maintenance. If you're looking for a more unique drain, the corten version orange and brown rusted finish is visually more striking. Yep, that is rust. It creates a protective layer extending the lifespan of the drainage channel. It's not everyone's cup of tea, but it can look great in the right place, like a hotel courtyard or a high-end commercial development. Now, the stainless steel version, it's specifically designed to be installed next to swimming pools and other high chlorine areas. They're also suitable for indoor or outdoor use. Once you know what material you want, you can start designing the layout of your system. We have all the parts you might need. Firstly, the channel connectors. These will let you connect your channels to other channels or corners or T-sections. They also provide additional stability during the installation process. End caps, obviously, are made to close off the end of a channel and stop water flow in that direction. Both the connectors and end caps are available with outlets. To prevent overloading your drainage system, you should only connect up to 6 channels to a bottom outlet and 5 to a side outlet when connecting your system to the local drainage pipes. We recommend using a PVC solvent weld to fuse your channels and connectors together. This stuff isn't actually essential because your system will be slotted together using the channel connectors. But it can be useful to plug any gaps and ensure your channels are one seamless length of leak-proof watertight PVC. As you can see, compared to traditional drainage systems, these threshold drainage channels can be a more discreet and visually appealing drainage solution. Their sleek designs can complement the overall aesthetics of your building without compromising the functionality. Here at Start Safety, we also stock a range of manhole inspection covers suitable for lawned areas or block pave areas. You can learn more about these by clicking this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe for more content about landscaping products like the Alusthetic drainage channels or videos about PPE, traffic management products and tools.